In the image list, Edit ROI States allows the user to change the state of ROIs. The dataset will be updated with the new states after editing ROI states. From the available annotation sets, the user can make the selections. When the Select All ROIs checkbox is marked, it allows the user to choose all ROIs collectively. Alternatively, specific ROIs can be individually selected or deselect from the list. Choose one of the defined states to assign a state as a new ROI for the dataset. Load New Images allows the user to upload images locally. Select an image from the directory. Once an image is selected, click on Open. The imported image will be shown in the image list. Apply Operations allows the user to perform multiple operations. To enable this function, choose Select Only This Page or Select All Images option to select images. Once the Apply Operations dialog box is displayed, the user can assign images to train test sets, export annotations, duplicate and delete images by clicking on these selections. Additionally, images can be moved to another dataset by selecting Move to another image set. Duplicate the images if needed. Split Images allows the user to split images before the training as train test sets. As the dataset is split, the image status will change from unassigned to train test sets. Clear Sets allows the user to clear all the current statuses. The new status of images will change to unassigned set. All Statuses option enables the user to filter images based on annotated or not annotated statuses. Upon selecting either of these options, the list view will be automatically updated to reflect the chosen filter. All Images allows the user to filter the images by selecting Train Test Unassigned Statuses after splitting. Upon selecting either of these options, the list view will be automatically updated to reflect the chosen filter. Use the More icon of an annotated dataset to examine the distribution of states in the gallery screen. Lastly, go to the Annotation page to hide Show Annotations by clicking on the eye icon or Show Annotation Switch button. Show Filling Switch button allows the user to show hide ROI fillings. If the fillings are hidden, only the edges will be displayed. Own your AI with Relivision.